Every handmade business runs on a handful of quiet agreements. The custom order someone paid a deposit on, the returns rule you re-explain in every message, the wholesale deal you sealed with a friendly yes. Most makers run all of it on trust, and hiring a lawyer for everyday paperwork rarely makes sense. The Craft Business Legal Pack is the middle path, with 10 plain English contracts and policies you can fill in and use today. Here is everything you get: 10 everyday legal documents, written for a handmade shop, a bill of sale and a custom order contract, a returns and refund policy, a shipping policy, terms of service, and a privacy policy for your website, a photo and model release, wholesale and consignment agreements, and an independent contractor agreement for when you bring on help. Together, they cover every corner of your business: selling with your bill of sale and custom order contract, your store policies for returns and shipping, your website with terms of service and a privacy policy, then marketing, wholesale and consignment, and hiring help. Whatever moment catches you out, the document for it is already written. Each one works the same simple way. Open the document you need, and every highlighted blank is a spot for your own detail. Type your business name, your prices, and your timeline straight into the fields. Signature lines are built in where they belong, and every clause is written in plain English, to be read by a human, not by a lawyer. And the documents are white label. There's no logo, no footer, and no branding anywhere on them. So your terms of service and your privacy policy read as yours, not as a template you bought. Put your own name at the top, publish your policies on your shop, and hand a client a clean, professional contract. Every document comes in 2 formats, so it fits the way you already work. A fillable PDF, where you type straight into the highlighted fields in any reader, then print and sign, and an editable Word file, where you can change any wording or open it in Google Docs. A plain English guide ties it all together. It walks through what each document is for, the mistakes makers make most often, where the rules in your state may differ, and how to fill each one in. So the pack teaches as well as it serves, and you are never left guessing. Now, an honest word about what this is. These are ready-to-use starting points, written in language you can actually read and edit. They are not legal advice, and they are not a substitute for a professional on high-stakes or unusual matters. Laws differ by place, and they change over time. The guide is clear about that boundary, and it tells you when it is worth calling an expert. That is the Craft Business Legal Pack. 10 documents, 2 formats, and a plain English guide as an instant download from Ardent Workshop, yours to keep and reuse forever. Stop running on handshakes, look the part, and protect the business you have worked so hard to build.